Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Ram Pickup 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, wheel covers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, reclining seats. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.